going on, everybody? It's Stefan here with All American Print Supply. We're coming to you from Impressions Expo 2022, the last Impressions Expo of the year, and it's going nuts. We're here at the Fort Worth Convention Center. We're going to take a brief overview of everything we brought, kind of give you a little piece of the action as if you were here. And if you're not here, next time. When we're coming to your town, you don't want to miss out on this. This machine needs no introduction. We're talking about America's #1 selling DTG, the Epson F2100. We can talk about the industry-leading warranty. We can talk about the user-friendly operation, but you probably already know all about it. Man, is that the Prisma Auto Clam? One of our awesome new heat presses we got. Got the slide-out drawer. That auto-open feature means this thing's gonna pop open for you at the end of the countdown, leaving you free to tend to other parts of your business. Hands-free operation, you don't gotta worry about burning your shirts. Now over here, we're talking about the 2100. What about the big brother? What about the Epson F3070? You can enjoy the same high-resolution print quality, same tested, safety-certified ink formula with lightning-fast production. This will have a shirt printed in under a minute and under $1. All thanks to the bulking system. Now, the Epson F2100, the Epson F3070, these are what we like to call dual threat machines. Of course, they give you the best direct-to-garment printing, but did you know these can also do direct-to-film? I would load on my PET instead of the garment on the platen, adjust my settings, or if I'm using Cathari NeoRip, like we have these set up, we actually have a thoroughly tested direct-to-film printing profile. It's gonna lay down the ink in the right order and the right amount. And if you throw in our barcode automation system, my goodness, you're gonna be so streamlined in your production, you won't know what to do with all that extra time. Now, speaking about direct-to-film, these are gonna be sheet-by-sheet productions, meaning I'm loading individual films, creating individual transfers at a time. Now, if you know the DTF process, after you have your printed image on your PET film, you need to apply what's called hot melting powder. That's the bonding agent. And if you're tired of doing that by hand, take a look at the Mr. T Cyclone from EcoFreen. This machine is gonna drop the powder on for you, agitate all of it off, and that way you have your choice of drying options. I could queue up a little conveyor right here, maybe something like the Vastex D1000. I can throw it into my Phoenix curing oven, or I can hover dry with my heat press. Either way, we're trying to keep up with the fast-paced speed of these production output machines. It's a great way to take your direct-to-film printing to the next level. If you are looking to go maybe into more of a roll production, mass volume, industrial output, you want to have a high output machine. 51-inch powder applicator, shaker, dryer. Like I said, take that industrial production to a commercial level. You may have heard about the Prestige direct-to-film printing and operating systems. We have the latest here. This is the XL2. We have this paired up with our barcode automation system, meaning you can have your artwork already sized, quality set, everything ready to go, and you can have autonomous, hands-free production. Of course, that means we have it paired up with an equivalent powder applicator, shaker, dryer machine like we do here. But it's a great way to take streamlined production, maximize your efficiency, maximize your output. But we got a 2 print head system in there, CMYKWW. It's faster, it cleans itself a little better, it's got better agitation. Now right here, this is probably the latest offering I would say from DTF Station. This is the brand new Prestige A3 Plus R. You can still load in your individual cut sheets up to 13 by 19. In addition, it's got an independent roll system on the back. So you can load up rolls up to 13 inches wide. You just turn your desktop into a print shop. Now right here, these heat presses have not been lasting long all year on the trade show floor. We have a dual setup here. It's the Proxima line. Proxima dual station semi-auto. So you're gonna be able to bring this on over. You already got your time, your temperature, everything set, and just run independently back and forth, keep production going. If you don't have a powder machine, shaker, dryer, this is a step that we're usually doing manually by hand. It's a little time consuming, you know, but it's doable. However, if you are looking to be a little more efficient, have a little more productivity, you should definitely look at the Seismo S20. This kind of waterfall system here has these adjustable grooves, so you can load in films of all sizes. And with this reservoir up top, you have all of your hot melting powder. So you can cascade that down onto your wet prints. You got the agitation function here. It's got a vibrational control. It's gonna shake off the powder that you put onto the film for you. So the Seismo S20 is gonna take care of all that for you. It's one of the other awesome offerings from DTF Station that we're so proud to bring to the table. Another convenient desktop size option, all we're gonna do is open the tray here, and I like to use a nice central location like they got going already, hit the start button, and this is gonna cure the hot melting powder consistently and evenly, and it also frees up my heat press to, like I said, press heat. And this is just some of the assortment of the different materials and fabrics that you can work on with direct-to-film, things that I'd never be able to DTG. Direct-to-garment uses water-based textiling. It feels great, but on fabric that's meant to repel water, repel moisture, stay dry, things that are kind of outside the box, safety vests, jackets, nylon, windbreakers, leather. I mean, even with the reduced amount of ink that we produce onto these direct-to-film transfers, no dye migration. This is red poly. All you guys out there, how fun is it to work with red poly? Right? And then the fine detail that is achievable with these printers. I don't know what DTF can't do yet. All right, everyone, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this. Trade show season is winding down, but we still got one more. Printing United is coming up in October. If you guys are available, it's kind of the Super Bowl of our industry. Anytime you see us coming to a city near you, come on out, see this stuff in person. It's one thing watching our awesome YouTube videos on this channel, but to see things firsthand, go through the process with us, there's really nothing like it. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. My name is Esteban, we're All American Print Supply. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. If you got any questions or comments, we got a section down below for that. But I guess we'll get back to work. See you on the next one.